Using the Whoop battery life effectively requires understanding its capabilities and optimizing its performance. The Whoop strap is a wearable device that tracks various health and fitness metrics, and its battery life is a crucial aspect of its functionality. To start, it is essential to know that the Whoop strap battery life typically lasts for 4 to 5 days on a single charge, depending on usage and settings. To get the most out of the battery, it is recommended to charge the strap regularly, ideally when the battery level falls below 20%. The first step in optimizing Whoop battery life is to understand the different modes and their impact on battery consumption. The Whoop strap has two primary modes, namely the always-on mode and the data-only mode. The always-on mode provides continuous heart rate monitoring and tracking, which consumes more battery power. On the other hand, the data-only mode tracks data at regular intervals, which is more power efficient. To conserve battery life, it is best to use the data-only mode during periods of low activity, such as when sleeping or resting. This mode can be activated through the Whoop app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The app allows users to monitor their battery level, adjust settings, and receive notifications when the battery is running low. Another way to extend the Whoop battery life is to adjust the heart rate monitoring frequency. The Whoop strap allows users to choose from different heart rate monitoring intervals, ranging from 1 second to 1 minute. Reducing the monitoring frequency can significantly extend the battery life, especially during periods of low activity. In addition to adjusting the modes and settings, it is also important to maintain the Whoop strap properly. This includes cleaning the strap regularly, avoiding extreme temperatures, and storing it in a cool, dry place when not in use. Regular software updates can also help improve the battery life and overall performance of the Whoop strap. In conclusion, optimizing the Whoop battery life requires a combination of understanding the different modes, adjusting the settings, and maintaining the device properly. By following these best practices, users can extend the battery life of their Whoop strap and enjoy uninterrupted tracking of their health and fitness metrics.